Switching from one password manager to another doesn't have to be a headache. If you've been struggling to find the perfect solution for managing your passwords, this quick 3-minute guide will show you exactly how to switch from one password manager to another with ease. Stick around till the end because I'll even show you how to make the whole process smoother, and I've got a special exclusive free trial offer for the software I recommend that you won't want to miss. First things first. Before making the switch, you need to export your passwords from your current password manager. Open the app or web interface of your existing password manager and locate the export option. This is usually under Settings or Security. Typically, it will let you export your data in a CSV format, which is universally accepted by most password managers. Just make sure you save that file somewhere secure, as it contains all your sensitive data. Next, you'll want to sign up for your new password manager. The software we'll be using for this tutorial is flexible and easy to set up, so don't worry, it won't take long. Go ahead and download the software or visit their website, create your account, and log in. Once you're logged in, look for the option to import passwords. This is where that CSV file you exported earlier comes in. The import feature might be in a Settings or Data section, depending on the software. When you find it, select the CSV file and upload it. Depending on the software, you may need to map the fields, like username, password, URL, to make sure the data gets imported correctly, but most modern password managers do this automatically. After the import, it's time to check that everything has transferred properly. Open the newly imported entries and make sure all your passwords are intact and categorized correctly. If you notice any missing data or errors, this is a good time to manually add or adjust entries. Now, to really maximize your new password manager, you'll want to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. Most password managers support 2FA, and it's one of the best ways to keep your account safe. Turn on 2FA and follow the prompts to link your account to an authenticator app. At this point, you're almost done. One final step is to make sure your old password manager is securely wiped from all your devices. This will ensure no data is left behind that could potentially be accessed later. Simply go into the settings of your old password manager and select the option to delete all data or uninstall the app from all your devices. So, what's the key takeaway here? Switching from one password manager to another is as simple as exporting your data, importing it into the new software, and verifying everything's in place. And don't forget, to secure your accounts, enable two-factor authentication. It's that easy. Just remember, if you're interested in the software we've been using, check out the link in the description below for an exclusive free trial, only available to viewers of my channel. To recap, export your data, import it into your new password manager, double-check everything, and make sure your old manager is securely wiped. That's all there is to it. And don't miss out on the exclusive trial offer in the description.